Hi, and welcome to Qlik Fix. This video will demonstrate how to download Qlik products. Start by logging in to Qlik.com with your Qlik ID and password. Once logged in, hover over Support and select Downloads. This will take you to the Downloads page on Qlik Community. You can also find this page on Qlik Community under Support, Product News, and Downloads. If you have any issues accessing this page, check the settings of your browser to verify that third-party cookies from the Qlik.com or community.qlik.com domains are allowed. From the download page, select the product category from the top row. The latest release and patch is already pre-selected. Narrow the search by selecting Product, Release. You can also select Search All and search in each field. When you're ready to download, simply click on the download link. If you'd like more information, take advantage of the expertise of peers, product experts, community MVPs, and technical support engineers by asking a question in a Qlik product forum. Hiding in plain sight is the search tool. This engine allows you to search Qlik knowledge base articles, Qlik community forums, help.qlik.com, Qlik gallery, multiple Qlik YouTube channels, and more, all from one place. There's also the support space. We recommend you subscribe to the Support Updates blog and learn from Qlik experts via a webinar, like Expert Talks or Q&A with Qlik. Thanks for watching. Nailed it.